Today, I'm revealing the brutally honest reality of what it really takes to succeed on YouTube and why it might not be the right move for you. You've probably seen creators effortlessly gaining thousands of subscribers, but what they're not telling you is the truth behind those numbers. As a creator who's navigated a lot of the pitfalls on the road to building a successful channel, I've learned what really separates creators who make it from those who burn out. So let's jump into reality number one, the never-ending learning curve. YouTube isn't just filming a quick video and hitting upload. When you start, you essentially become a one-person production team overnight. You're responsible for scripting and planning, filming, audio, lighting, editing, creating thumbnails, writing titles, and marketing your videos. And the hardest part is that each of these requires entirely different skill sets. I can't tell you how many times I've had a great video idea, I've filmed everything, only to find out that the lighting or the audio wasn't where I needed it to be, and I had to redo the entire thing completely. And just when you feel like you've finally got the hang of filming and editing, something changes. A new camera comes out, or your camera just doesn't have what you need it to have. There's an update on your editing software, or thumbnails suddenly require a completely new style to stay competitive. The learning never stops. Now, don't get me wrong, I love learning, but if you're expecting a smooth and easy ride, YouTube might feel like it's overwhelming. You have to embrace constant adaptation and ongoing education, or you'll feel stuck quickly. But let's move on to reality number two, making videos when no one is watching. This might actually be the hardest part for small creators. Way harder than criticism or haters, because in the beginning, you aren't even getting enough views to attract negative comments. Your videos might get 20 to 30, maybe 50 views if you're lucky, and the silence can be deafening. It's incredibly tough to spend hours scripting, filming, editing, and posting a video you're really proud of, only to feel like you're shouting into an empty room. It's in these moments that doubt creeps in. You start to question your ideas, your skill level, and even your decision to start YouTube in the first place. And honestly, it's the exact frustration that causes most creators to quit. Not because they're not talented enough, but because it's genuinely hard to keep going when you feel invisible. I've personally been there. Videos I spent days perfecting would hardly break 50 views. And I thought, what's the point? But the truth is, everyone starts here. And if you're considering YouTube, you need to know it may take months, even years, of videos going unnoticed before gaining real traction. If you aren't prepared to handle this phase, to keep showing up when no one's watching, YouTube might genuinely not be the best path for you. Now let's talk reality number three. YouTube demands more than you realize. When you think about starting a YouTube channel, you might picture yourself making cool videos, getting feedback, and growing an audience quickly. But what most people underestimate is the sheer amount of time, energy, and decision-making that goes into consistently creating content. It's not just about filming a video. You have to come up with video ideas every single week. You need to script, film, edit, design thumbnails, write SEO-friendly titles, promote your videos, and interact with the comments. And here's the kicker. You have to do this over and over again, even when life gets busy and your motivation drops or your schedule fills up. Without good systems in place, YouTube quickly becomes overwhelming and unsustainable. And for most small creators, when life gets stressful, YouTube is usually the first thing to fall off the plate. And when your consistency suffers, growth slows down drastically. You lose momentum, and suddenly making videos starts to feel like a chore instead of something you enjoy. Many talented creators quit not because they weren't good enough, but because they simply couldn't sustain the process. The truth is, YouTube doesn't take creativity, it takes capacity. If you don't build systems to handle the workload or find support from a community that understands your struggles, you'll likely burn out before you even have a chance to succeed. So knowing all that, you might be wondering, is YouTube even worth it? And the answer is, it can be. YouTube can absolutely be rewarding, but only if you go in prepared for the reality. It's an amazing creative outlet. You can connect with people who share your interests, you can build community, and even grow a meaningful brand around what you generally care about. But before you jump in, you have to be completely honest with yourself. Ask yourself, are you ready for the never-ending learning curve, continuously improving your filming, editing, and storytelling? Can you handle creating videos for months, maybe years, with very little validation validation or external feedback? Are you prepared for the demands on your time, energy, and are you ready to build the systems that you need to stay consistent without burning out? If your answer is yes, and you're willing to face those challenges head on, I have something designed specifically for creators just like you. It's called Creator Lab. Creator Lab is a free community I've built specifically to help creators sharpen their video skills, stay consistent, and grow alongside others who truly understand this journey. You don't have to go through this alone. This is a space where you can get clear feedback, structured support, and avoid all the overwhelming aspects of YouTube. If you're serious about making this work, join Creator Lab. It's completely free, and you'll find the link in the description below. Just remember this: succeeding on YouTube isn't about going viral overnight. It's about creating content you're proud of, continuously improving your skills, and building something real and sustainable. But also know this: not everyone needs to be a YouTuber. Sometimes the best decision you can make is recognizing a path isn't aligned with your goals, your strengths, and your current life situation. So that's the real truth. It's incredibly important you understand exactly what you're getting into before you commit your time, your energy, and your resources to do something as demanding as YouTube. But if you decide that you're ready for this, ready to embrace consistent learning, ready to persist through quiet months, and ready to build systems and community support, it can genuinely be one of the most rewarding things you ever pursue. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. If this video helped you gain clarity or gave you honest insight you needed, hit the subscribe button for more honest insights and practical tips. And if you decide to join the Creator Lab, I can't wait to see you there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.